Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can create this nice beautiful OTP verification website. So this script has a lot of features. So this script has an email, you can send email, and this script has a server, which means that they have server 1, server 2, server 3. So maybe server 1, you can put server 1 for only US numbers, then server 2 and server 3 you can use a different API for server 1 or server to just anyone. You can just do it anyhow you want it. So this OTP SMS verification script also has payment gateway like Paystack and Flutterwave and crypto also. So you can also use crypto to fund your account. So it works like my previous SMN platform. So the previous SMS script. So you can see the service. So you can add your service. You can see the service. So which one do you like? I'm just showing you the service on how it look like. So it looked like the previous one. This one has only WhatsApp. So you just need to get your own. So the API also it's also same interface. So your API is also same interface. This mind you that this script works with multiple API, but there are some API recommendation that is going to work perfectly with this script, but you can use any API of your choice. But I think there are three API that you can use that's going to work perfectly with this script. So you can see your transaction, Flutterwave transaction, and also your Paystack transaction. So and you can also change your API key. You can turn it off here, turn it on. Same thing with the Paystack. So, and also top service, custom price. You can just set a custom price and see sell history, find users, just find users by email and all that. So you can also block users and also see all your users. So I only have one user on this platform. So now let me just quickly log in as a normal user so that you're going to see how the dashboard look like. So let me just sign out. All right, so if you log in as a normal user, so this is how the interface look like. So you can see recharge. Then when you come to recharge, you are going to be selecting your payment blocks. Let me say your payment gateway is how you want to make your payment for you to just top up your account. So you can see, but these two are disabled. You can use manual payments. You can just set your manual payments and you are good to go. So now on this buy numbers, so this is what I'm talking about. So these buy numbers now you can select your server. You can see server 1, server 2, server 3. So any server that you select, your available numbers is going to be displaying. You can use different API on this server. You can use different API on this server. So you can just use different API on this server. This server 3, then this is server 2. So this is what I'm talking about. So you can use different API. So you can also see your number history, your purchase number history, and your transaction history. So now that I've seen all these features of this particular script, so let me just dive in on how you can be able to set it up. Like before you can be able to set it up, you need your domain and your hosting. So let me just quickly log into my um, domain and log into my hosting. All right, so I have logged into the root domain of the domain that I wanted to upload this script. So I'm using a subdomain for this. So let me quickly upload my scripts. Then I select the file. So we just use it as normal, um, just normal uploading. Then I select my script. So this is my script here. Then I select it. Then we wait for the uploading to complete. So once the upload completes, then we are going to be extracting it. So, but why the uploading, like why the file is uploading, we need to create our database. So you need to create your database as usual. So you come to your database. You can use database wizard, or you can just come to manage my database. Anyone that you want to do. So I can just come to manage my database. All right, no, let me just use database user. wizard. So use a database wizard. So in this side, you input your, let me say database. I'm just going to be using OTP as my database. OTP DB. All right, so this is my database. Then the user, our database has been created. So now we need to create our user. Then I'm going to be saying OTP, then user. Let me just use, I think I've used user for that. Then your password, just generate your password. I'm going to be using this one. Then I've copied in a safe place. Then you create your account. All right, then we select all privileges. Then we click on make changes. So now once we click on make changes, then think we are good to go with the database. So let me check my file. So my file is still uploading. I think my network is a little bit slow. So let's just wait for the upload to complete, then we can go on to the next step. Alright, so our file is done uploading. So now let's extract this file and set up our database. So we have already created our database. Let me just block this. Alright, so we have already created our database. Then now we need to extract this file. Make sure that you extract it on your root domain. So extract it on your root domain. So this is the root domain and it's currently empty now. So once I'm done extracting this file and set up the database, the site is going to load. So now let's give it some time for it to extract. Alright, so it's done extracting. So for us to set up our database, we need to come to this include folder. So come to include folder. Then this is the config file. So just edit it. It is the config file. Then you can see the database user. So you change this to your database user. Let me just select my user. So this is my user. Alright, then the password, set your password. Then the database name. So this is the database. Alright, so after you have input your database, then we need to get our, you can see your website link. So it's very important. So this is where I want to host the site. So now you get my website link from here, then I will paste it here. So then just need to remove the slash, then I click on save. So now the next step you need to do, you need to come to this mailer and also change your SMTP. So make sure that you edit your SMTP if you want to be receiving emails. So make sure that you change it. Change your SMTP for emails. So now we need to go to our database, my PHP my admin, and also upload our database file. So this is the database file. Then you just need to download this. All right, so we download it. Then we go to PHP my admin. So you come to PHP my admin, then we upload the file. So now let me look here. Okay, this is the database here. So now we upload the file. Then I just need to drag and drop the file here. Then the database is now uploaded. So these are all the files. Then so now let's refresh this page. You can see that the script is not working. So now let's log into admin. If you get this script and we are going to be getting instruction guide on how you can be able to set everything up, including the saver, your number, just setting everything up so that user can be able to purchase your purchase number and all that. So now we have logged into the admin. First, we are going to be seeing the user interface. Then we click on login admin. So this is the user interface. Let me just inspect this page. Then I just reduce it to mobile view size, so you can see how it's look like. So now I can just come to admin dashboard. Then once you click on admin dashboard, you'll be redirected to the admin dashboard straight. So this is it here now. So once you get this script, you'll be getting the installation guide on how you can be able to set up your API, add your own server and your own services. So if you want to get the scripts, click the link in the description, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So if you also need a customized script on this OTP service, this OTP email number verification service. So if you need a custom script, then you can just message us, and with the features and the style or design you want, we can be able to do that for you. So just click the link in the description to message me on WhatsApp for that. So see you in my next video.